back, my friends. I hope everyone is having a fabulous day so far. This is Lindsay coming back at you with another work from home job lead. I'm excited about this one. As we get into the holiday season, a lot of companies are going to be ramping up their hiring to make sure that they are staffed for the inflow of holiday shoppers, and Lego, the big toy maker, is doing just that. But real quickly, before we get into it, if you're new here, this channel is all about searching the internet, finding the best work from home jobs available, and bringing them to you on a daily basis. So if you don't want to miss another job lead, make sure you're subscribed, have those notifications turned on. I normally post multiple job leads daily, so check out my main channel page, check out playlist. I do have playlist for international hiring places. I have a playlist for places that provide equipment. It is all there, so go check out the channel if you have not after this video. But with that being said, Lego is hiring a customer service representative. They are looking for someone to respond in a fun, reliable, and knowledgeable but engaging way to inbound customer contacts through your entire shift. So that will be through phone calls, email, and live chat. You will have a chance to work all three. You will have to engage in both written and verbal communication. You will use the technology that they have, such as their database, digital knowledge database, and troubleshooting guides to help the customers. So you'll dedicate and provide excellent service to each customer. You'll adhere to your schedule. You will have all breaks scheduled so that they can plan for phone coverage and customer demand. You'll have to have post-contact survey results and daily productivity. Now, they do ask that you be available to work on certain holidays like Black Friday, Christmas Eve, and one weekend day every other weekend to help in the holiday season. Their weekend opening hours are 10 a.m. Eastern Time to 6 p.m. Eastern Time. So it says, because their customer service is through all their engagement channels, phone, email, and live chat, every day is different. They answer questions about upcoming product launches. They help people place orders. They help troubleshoot their digital products. They boost Lego Boost and Life apps. There is all kind of things that you'll get a chance to work on all of it. Now, this seems like a very easy job. They don't have very many requirements. It says, do you have what it takes? They want someone who can be happy in a fast-paced environment, someone who has a previous experience giving a customer service or inbound sales. They said preferably in a retail environment, but it doesn't say how much experience. Someone who can be confident in making their own judgments, someone who has great attention to detail and the ability to multitask, someone who can type 40 words per minute. And the most important one, someone who is comfortable with virtual assessments. You have a secure Wi-Fi network and a private space because you will be working remotely. Now, unfortunately, this job posting did not list the pay. You would have to ask that at the time of the interview. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. If you found any of my job leads helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, like button, and share with all your friends and family so we can all work from home and live our happiest, healthiest life. And I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.